Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video of AI Basics, we are going to talk about Voicify and its signing up process. Please stick with us till the end to watch our video. In order to start with signing up process, I hope you all have downloaded Voicify app from your App Store or from your Play Store. Now let's get into signing up process. First of all, you need to open your Voicify app. After opening the Voicify app, you can see 5 options. First, email login. Second, SMS login. Third, don't have an account. Fourth, sign up. Fifth, skip for now. You need to click on the fourth option, which is sign up. Then I'll sign up with email. You need to click on the accept, as it is all the terms and conditions of the app. Then at first you need to enter your email address. Then you need to enter the password. Then you need to click on next. Then your Voicify app is registered. Then you need to click on the username and type your username. Then you need to type your full name. Then you can tap on next, which is on the right side of your screen. Then your Voicify app is successfully signed in. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.